Good morning to everyone. Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss about future tense. We were discussed in the previous classes voices of present tense and past tense. Now, today we are going to discuss about voices, active voice of future tense, passive voice of future tense. Okay, before going to learn the structures, just I will read the one passage, listen carefully and identify the verbs in the given passage. First of all, you listen carefully one by one sentence. I will read slowly only, listen carefully. While listening, please underline the or identify the verbs in the given passage. Verbs in the form of passive voice in the given passage. Okay. So that passage is it is in a newspaper report. It is in a newspaper report. It came in newspaper. Okay. That is read the newspaper clipping, pick out the sentences with passive verb forms. The topic of the paragraph, the topic of the passage is Hussain Sagar are made a plastic free zone. Hussain Sagar area made a plastic free zone. Hussain Sagar area made a plastic free zone. The first paragraph, listen carefully. Planning to spend a summer evening in the parks around the Necklace Road or Tank Bund. Planning to spend a summer evening in the parks around the Necklace Road or Tank Bund. Then avoid taking plastic bags. Are you planning to go in summer evening in the parks to spend the time in the parks around the Necklace Road or Tank Bund? Then you avoid to bring the plastic bags along. From Saturday, visitors to parks that come under the Buddha Purnima Project Authority will not be allowed to carry any plastic bags. From Saturday onwards, because of most of all weekends, almost of the peoples they want to spend some time with the family members in some pleasant atmosphere. That's why the people of the city people, the metropolitan people, they are planned to spend some time in the summer evening in the parks because of in today is casually called as the towns are called as a concrete jungle. Concrete jungle means everywhere cement roads are there, dumber roads are there, trees are very less, means oxygen levels are very low, no greenery area. Okay, anywhere surrounding their home, all tall big houses and like pillar wise tall buildings, no ventilation also. So that's why almost the metropolitan cities or the city people they will plan to spend some time in the summer evening in the parks in their surround area. Come to Hyderabad, there is a Hussain Sagar Lake is there. Okay, around the Hussain Sagar Lake, Necklace Road is there, back side of the Hussain Sagar. So there also park is there. At the same time, Tank Bund also there. So from Saturday, visitors to parks that come under the Buddha Purnima Project Authority will not be allowed to carry any plastic bags. From Saturday onwards, visitors to park that come under the Buddha Purnima Project Authority will not be allowed to carry any plastic bags. ఎవరైతే సాటర్డే నుండి శనివారం నుండి బుద్ధ పూర్ణిమ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అథారిటీ అంటే నెక్లెస్ రోడ్ కానీ ట్యాంక్ బండ్ కానీ చూడాలని వస్తే వాళ్ళను బుద్ధ పూర్ణిమ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అథారిటీ వాళ్ళు ప్లాస్టిక్ బ్యాగును అనుమతించబడలేదు, అనుమతించబడరు. ప్లాస్టిక్ బ్యాగ్స్ కనుక మీరు తీసుకొస్తే అనుమతించబడరు, అనుమతించబడరు. బడరు, బడు, బడ వచ్చిందంటే ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ బడి, బడు, బడ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ passive voice. Will not be allowed, will not be allowed. This is a form of passive voice. From Saturday, visitors to parks that come under the Buddha Purnima project will not be allowed to carry, will not be allowed to carry any plastic bags. If carrying any, they will have to submit them at counter near the park's entrance and will be given a jute bag instead of carry inside. If spontaneously, if carrying any, they will have to submit them at the counter at a counter near the entrance of the park and will be given a jute bag instead of the carry inside. మనము ఒకవేళ అనుకోకుండా ప్లాస్టిక్ బ్యాగ్ కనుక తీసుకపోతే దాని కౌంటర్ దగ్గర మనం డిపాజిట్ చేస్తే దానికి బదులుగా మనకు జూట్ బ్యాగ్ ఇవ్వబడుతుంది, దానికి బదులుగా బడుతుంది విల్ బీ గివెన్, ఇవ్వబడుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో 2 passive verbs are there in the first paragraph. So once again I am repeating the first paragraph. Planning to spend a summer evening in the parks around Necklace Road or Tank Bund, then avoiding taking plastic bags along. From Saturday, visitors to park that come under the Buddha Purnima project authority will not be allowed to carry any plastic bags. If carrying any, they will have to submit them at a counter near the park's entrance and will be given a jute bag instead of carry inside. So 2 verb forms of in the passive voice there. One is will not be allowed, second one is will be given. Sorry. In a bid to reduce plastic pollution around the Hussain Sagar Lake, Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority has come up with many measures to make the area a plastic-free zone. In a bid to reduce the plastic pollution around the Hussain Sagar Lake, the Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority has come up with many measures to make the area a plastic-free zone. Here all are in active voice only, no passive voice is there. Apart from the no plastic rule in parks, plastic teacups and plates used by the outlets and vendors at Necklace Road would be banned. Apart from the no plastic rules in parks, plastic teacups and plates used by outlets and vendors at Necklace Road would be banned from Saturday. This was communicated to vendors over the last few days. The HMDA has tied up with the NGOs to help enforcement. The plastic ban has formed a special force teams to see its implementation. See, once I am repeating, apart from the no plastic rules in parks, plastic teacups and plates used by outlets and vendors at Necklace Road would be banned. నో ప్లాస్టిక్ రూల్స్ ఉన్నప్పటికీ కూడా నెక్లెస్ రోడ్ ఎమర్సీ ఆ వీధి వ్యాపారస్తులు ఎవరైతే రోడ్డు మీద అమ్ముకునేటువంటి చిన్న చిన్న వ్యాపారస్తులు, చిరు వ్యాపారస్తులు, వాళ్ళని చిల్లర వర్తకాలు అంటారు, వాళ్ళు ప్లాస్టిక్ టీ కప్స్ని కానీ ప్లాస్టిక్ ప్లేట్స్ని కానీ వాడడాన్ని నిషేధించబడింది. మనకు తెలియదు, చిన్న చిన్న చూడువా లాంటి అమ్ముకునే వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే చిన్న చిన్న టీ ప్లాస్టిక్ కప్స్ లాంటివి వాడుతూ ఉంటారు. ఆ ప్లాస్టిక్ కప్స్ వాడుకోవడాన్ని నిషేధించడమైనది. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ నిషేధించడమైనది, నిషేధించబడినది. సో వుడ్ బి బ్యానడ్, నిషేధించబడినది. వుడ్ బి బ్యానడ్ ఈజ్ ద వర్బ్ ఫార్మ్ ఇన్ ద పాసివ్ వాయిస్ ఇన్ దిస్ పారాగ్రాఫ్. Apart from the no plastic rule in parks, plastic teacups and plates used by the outlets and vendors at Necklace Road would be banned from Saturday. This was communicated to vendors over the last few days. This was communicated the vendors to vendors over the last few days. ఇది వాళ్ళకి చెప్పబడింది వాళ్ళకి కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయబడింది, ఇలా నిషేధించబడినది అని చెప్పబడింది. వాజ్ కమ్యూనికేటెడ్. బీ ఫామ్ ఈజ్ దేర్, బీ ఫామ్ వాజ్ ఈజ్ దేర్, కమ్యూనికేటెడ్ V3 ఫామ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. B plus V3 simple past tense would be banned, నిషేధించబడింది. This is also simple past tense. Come to here, was communicated, simple past tense, was communicated to vendors over the last few days. The HMDA has tied up with NGOs to help enforce the plastic ban, has formed a special force team to see its implementation. To implement the strict rules, this HMDA has tied up with the NGO to see this proper implementation. Okay, so in this paragraph we have two verb forms in the passive voice. One is would be banned, second one is was communicated. Come to next one. BP Acharya, Commissioner HMDA, said that 30 licensed vendors in this area had been asked to use paper bags procured from Begum Bazaar. Use paper bags procured from Begum Bazaar. He said that if they are found floating the rule, their license would be cancelled. Their license would be cancelled. See, here Mr. BP Acharya, HMDA commissioner, said that 3,300 licensed vendors in this area had been asked. This is also had been plus asked. This one is past perfect. Had been asked. This area, this is also the verb form of the passive voice. Use paper bags procured from Begum Bazaar. He said that if they are found floating the rule, their license would be cancelled. This is also verb form of passive voice. In this paragraph we have two types of there. One is had been asked, second one is would be cancelled. Come to the areas that have been declared as a free zones are NTR stadiums. 1 minute. The areas that have been declared also, this is also verb form of passive voice. The areas that have been declared as plastic free zones are NTR Gardens, Lumbini Park, Eat Streets, Jala Vihar, Sanjeeva Park, Secretariat Road, IMAX, and all the vendors around the lake area. The areas that have been declared, areas means plural, have been means present perfect, have been declared V3. Okay, have been declared as a plastic free zones are NTR Gardens, Lumbini Park, Eat Street, Jala Vihar, Sanjay Park, Secretariat Road, IMAX, and all the vendors around the Necklace Road, around the lake area. People taking plastic water bottles in the parks will be asked to pay a token amount at the entrance, which will be returned to them when they leave along with their plastic bottles. Separate plastic bins will be kept in the plastic free areas. Source Times of India 1/5/2010. So people taking plastic water bottles inside the parks will be asked to pay token amount. ఎవరైతే తీసుకుపోతూ ఉంటారో ప్లాస్టిక్ వాటర్ బాటిల్స్ని వాళ్ళని ఇన్సైడ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి వాటర్ బాటిల్ ఇన్సైడ్ కౌంటర్లోకి వెళ్ళి వాటర్ బాటిల్ తీసుకుపోతారు, వాళ్ళని టోకెన్ అమౌంట్ అడగబడుతూ ఉంటుంది. అడగబడి మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు రిటర్న్ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు తిరిగి ఇవ్వబడుతూ ఉంటుంది. విల్ బీ రిటర్న్డ్, విల్ బీ ఆస్క్డ్, విల్ బీ రిటర్న్డ్. సో విల్ బీ ఆస్క్డ్ టు పే టోకెన్ అమౌంట్ అండ్ at the entrance which will be returned to them when they leave along with their plastic bottle. Separate plastic bins will be kept in the plastic free areas. There also separate plastic bins will be kept in the plastic free zone, plastic free areas. So will be kept here. This is a paper clip from Times of India. We have identified the verbs in the form of passive voice in the given passage. So we identified the following verb forms in the passive voice: will not be allowed, will be given, would be banned, was communicated. Next, had been asked, would be cancelled, have been declared, will be asked, will be returned, will be kept. Okay, totally 10 are there, but out of 10 I have given here 8 only. You will find out remaining 2. So come to here. One more passage is there, but it is in the fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. First I read the passage. Once a cab seller on his way kept his bag. This is a typographical mistake. Once a cab seller on his way kept his box and slept under a tree. The box dash opened by monkeys. The cabs dash take away by them. They climbed the tree. The cab seller noticed the monkeys. He suddenly got an idea. He threw his cap down. The same action dash imitated by the monkeys. The caps in their hands dash thrown down by them. All the caps by the cab seller dash collect by the cab seller, and he left the place. So this is one fill in the gap. Same like this is also fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs. The verbs also given in the brackets. Once a cab seller on his way, a typographical mistake, on his way, kept his box and slept under a tree. The box opened by monkeys. The cab taken. Here see answers also there. The cabs taken away by them. They climbed the tree. The cab seller noticed that monkeys. He suddenly got an idea. He threw his cap down. The same action was imitate. Action was imitate. Action was imitated by the monkeys. The caps in their hands were thrown. Were plus verb 3 form. Thrown. Verb thrown down by them. All the caps dash collect the cab seller, and he left the place. All the caps are collected. All the caps were collected by the cab seller, and he left the place. These are the answers. So here also one more paragraph is there. You have to identify or underline the one more passage is there. We have to identify and underline the passive voice in the following passage. 1 minute. Many things were invented. Many things were invented because of war. Stealth fighters. 1 minute. Yes. Many things were invented because of war. Stealth fighters were used by the USA in 1991. They are difficult to detect because of their space, their shape. They are difficult to detect because their shape. Since the 1950s, scientists have been working on night vision goggles. Radar was invented to detect enemy aircraft, another wartime invention. Penicillin has saved many infected soldiers. So, many things were invented because of here verb. We have to find out the passive, passivized verbs only. Many things were invented. B form is there, B3 is there. Simple past tense of passivize. Passivize of simple past tense. Many things were invented because of war. Strength fighters were used, were used by the USA in 1991. They are difficult to detect because of their shape. Since 1950s, scientists have been working on night vision goggles. Radar was invented. This is also simple in simple past tense. Was invented to detect enemy aircraft. Another wartime invention, penicillin, as saved many infected soldiers. So here three passive verb forms are there. One is was invented, were used, was invented. So now come to here one more example is there for passivize. We will discuss before going to learn the future tense. All these are the most important. Okay, then we will learn easily future tense in passivize. When there are two objects, we may begin a passive sentence with either of them. If, for example, in the active voice, two objects are there. In active voice, two objects are there. What you do? Two objects are there. What you do? How you will convert the active voice into passive voice? Okay. So, from in this sentence, in this situation, in this profile, in this area, while converting into passive voice, we may start with one objective at a time. Means we may convert into two sentences. The active voice, when there are two objects, we may begin a passive voice sentence with either of them. It means there is a choice, there is a scope to make two sentences also. There is a scope to make two sentences also. Either of them. Means we may start with either of them. So, there is a scope to write or prepare or make two sentences in passive voice also. For example, let us see. My mother gave me a new pen. My mother gave me a new pen. Here two objects are there. Okay. One is me. Second objective is a new pen. So first I starts with the me objective. Me, it's become to subject, it become I. Yes, my mother gave. Gave means it is V2. Give, gave, given means simple past tense. What is the simple past tense active passive voice structure? I means I, he, she, it plus was plus verb 3 form plus object, isn't it? So I was verb 3 form given. Object is a new pen. I was given a new pen by whom? My mother. The second sentence in passive voice, we starts with a new pen. A new pen was given to me by my mother. So, like that, we will do one more exercise also. One more exercise. Our grandmother told us many stories. Our grandmother subject, told subject verb, us object, many stories object. two objects are there. We may begin passive voice sentence with either of them. First I consider us, object us. Us become we. So told means we, simple past tense. What is the simple past tense structure? Subject plus was or were plus V3 plus object. Here I consider first us. Us become we. Us become we. We comes under, we means plural. So we plus were plus V3. We were told many stories by our grandmother. We were told many stories by our grandmother. Next, many stories were told to us by our by our grandmother. Like that, when there are two objects, we may begin a positive sentence either of them. One more example also there. I have sent my brother a message. I have sent my brother a message. Here, my brother, a message. Two objects are there. A message has been sent brother by me. My brother has been sent a message by me. So, a message has been sent brother by me. A message has been sent to brother by me. My brother has been sent a message by me. Okay, like that, one more example also there. Okay, one more example. He taught her physics. He taught her physics. He taught her physics. He subject, taught P2, her object, physics also object. First I consider her. Her become she. Okay, this is simple past tense. What is the simple past tense structure? Come to she plus was plus V3 plus object. Come to she was taught physics by him. She was taught physics by him. If physics was taught to her by him. Physics was taught to her by him. Like that, so many examples we will make like this. When the two objects are there, we begin the sentence with either of them. Either of them means which objects. We may make two sentences also. Come to one more here, imperative sentences. These are also one of most important. Okay, imperative sentences. When the subject is omitted and when the sentence ends with a full stop, we call it an imperative sentence. It expresses a wish, request or command, etc. When the subject is omitted and when the sentence ends with a full stop, subject is omitted and when the sentence ends with a full stop, we call it an imperative sentence. It expresses a wish, request or command. So here some process is there while converting active voice into passive voice of an imperative sentence. Some procedure is there. So what is the procedure? Now we will go to learn the procedure. The first procedure, the first instruction of the conversion rule of an imperative sentence from active voice into passive voice. First instruction of conversion rule. First, start the sentence in passive voice with let. Start the sentence in passive voice with let. Next, second instruction. Make the object in the active voice as the subject in the passive voice. This is the common rule. This is the common rule to all the tenses. Next, keep be. You have to add be also in the passive voice. Starts with a let and keep be in the passive voice. Use the past participle tense of the verb given in the active voice. This is the common rule, that is verb form 3. But add before be before past participle. So keep you in mind, you have to add the be before verb third form. Here you have to keep new 3 rules. First rule is, first instruction is, first starts with the sentence in passive voice with let. Start the sentence in passive voice with let only, with let. Okay, when the subject is omitted, that called as an imperative sentence. While converting into an imperative sentence from active voice into passive voice, you start the sentence in passive voice with let only. Okay, as usual, subject became object. And you should remember one more point here, you keep be in the sentence. That be also you have to add before the verb form 3, before verb form 3. Now let us go to discuss the example, then we will get easily. Bring me a cup of water. Bring me a cup of water. Here subject is omitted, no subject is there. Here bring me a cup of water. So me is see, come to passive voice. Let a cup of water be brought. Let a cup of water. Cup of water is objective. Let a cup of water be brought. Brought to me. Brought to me. Post the letter. Let the letter be posted. First start the sentence with let. Let the letter be posted. Be posted. Here bring become brought, post means posted. Advertise the post. Let the post be advertised by you. Let the post be advertised by you. Please post the letter. You are requested to, here please is there. Please is there means your request is there. So you are requested to post the letter. You are requested to post the letter. If please added to added means it's a polite manner. So then while conversing, just keep in your mind, you are requested to post the letter. Please lend me your money. You are requested to lend me your money or your scooter. Okay, so these are the some imperative conversion rule. Now come to simple future structure. You have to keep in your mind, first structure is most important. Okay, 1 minute, sorry for the disturbance. For IV, the structure for IV, first person, second person, active voice structure, simple future only. Keep in your mind, and once again I am repeating. In the future tense, we have only two tenses are there in the passive voice. One is simple future tense, second one is future perfect tense only. Okay. So come to simple future for subject for IV. Active voice. Subject plus shall plus verb 1 plus object. Subject plus shall plus verb 1 plus object. Come to passive voice. Subject plus shall be plus verb 3 form plus object. Subject plus shall be plus verb 3 form plus object. Here they, we, he, she, it. They, we, he, she, it. Active voice. Subject plus will plus verb 1 form plus object. Passive voice. Subject plus will be plus verb 3 form plus object. Active voice. Subject plus will plus verb 1 form plus object. Passive voice. Subject plus will be plus verb 3 form plus object. Now apply it to the one example. I shall support that party next month. నేను వచ్చే నెలలో ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతిస్తుంటాము. దట్ పార్టీ షెల్ బి సపోర్టెడ్ బై మీ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఆర్ నెక్స్ట్ మంత్. వచ్చే నెలలో నేను ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇవ్వబడుతుంటాను. She will support that party next month. The party will be supported by her next month. Shall be, will be, verb V3 form. I will support that party next month. The party shall be supported by me next year. She will support that party next month. That party will be supported by her next month. Next is future perfect tense. Come to future perfect tense. For I we activize subject plus shall have plus verb 3 form plus object. I shall have completed that work. I shall have written the book. This is the activize. Come to passivize. Subject plus shall have been plus verb 3 plus object. Subject plus shall have been plus verb 3 plus object. Come to here. For you, they, ye, sheet. For you, they, ye, sheet. Activize. Subject plus will have plus v3 plus object. Passivize. Subject plus will have been plus verb 3 plus object. Subject plus will have been plus verb 3 plus object. So, for example, we shall have supported that party. That party shall have been supported by us. We shall have supported that party. Sorry. That party shall have been supported by us. He will have supported that party. That party will have been supported by him. He will have supported that party. That party will have been supported by him. He become him. So these are the example we have. We will discuss more examples also. So in the simple futures in future tense. First simple future tense. For the first example, Virat Kohli will attack the bowlers. This is the simple future tense activize. Now we will change into passivize. The bowlers will be attacked by the Virat Kohli. Mithali Raj will attack the bowlers. The bowlers will be attacked by the Mithali Raj. She will attack the bowlers. The bowlers will be attacked by her. We shall attack the bowlers. The bowlers shall be attacked by us. I shall attack the bowlers. The bowlers shall be attacked by me. Shall be attacked by me. They will motivate us. They will motivate us. We, us means we. We shall be motivated by them. You see, we came. So for we shall be. Here will is there. So you consider the subject in the passivize only, not the subject in the activize. We shall be motivated by them. We shall be motivated by them. You will explain them. You will explain them. They will be explained by you. They will be explained by you. We shall record good songs. We shall record good songs. Good songs will be recorded by us. Good songs will be recorded by us. He will maintain discipline. Discipline will be maintained by him. Will be maintained by him. I shall do the work. I shall do the work. The work will be done by me. The work will be done by me. My friend will write good articles. My friend will write good articles. Good articles will be written by my friend. Will be written by my friend. We shall follow traffic rules. We shall follow traffic rules. Traffic rules will be followed by us. Traffic rules will be followed by us. She will develop the project. She will develop the project. The project will be developed by her. The project will be developed by her. This is a simple future tense. Come to present future perfect. Come to future perfect. The first example. Virat Kohli will attack the bowlers. Virat Kohli will attack the bowlers. The bowlers will have been, Virat Kohli will have attacked the bowlers. The bowlers will have been attacked attacked by Virat Kohli. The bowlers will have been attacked by Virat Kohli. They will have motivated us. They will have motivated us. We will have been, we shall have been, motivated by them. We shall have been motivated by them. You will have been explained them. You will have been explained them. They will have been explained by you. You will have explained them. They will have been explained by you. We shall have recorded good songs. We shall have recorded good songs. We shall have recorded good songs. Good songs will have been recorded by us. Good songs will have been recorded by us. Ye will have maintained discipline. Ye will have maintained discipline. Discipline will have been maintained by him. Discipline will have been maintained by him. I shall do the work. I shall do the work. I shall have done the work. I shall have done the work. The work will have been done by me. The work will have been done by me. The work will have been done by me. My friend will write good articles. My friend will write good articles. Good articles will have been written by my friend. My friend will have written good articles. My friend will have written good articles. Good articles will have been written by my friend. We shall have followed traffic rules. We shall have followed traffic rules. Traffic rules will have been followed by us. Traffic rules will have been followed by us. She will have developed the project. She will have developed the project. The project will have been developed by her. The project will have been developed by her. So these are the examples we learned. Okay, before that also some of the examples are there. Now we will discuss that examples also for about 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes. Just simply the teacher teachers felicitated on the eve of Independence Day. Teachers felicitated on the eve of Independence Day. Teachers were felicitated on the eve of Independence Day. Oscar awarded to Indian. Oscar awarded to Indian. Oscar was awarded to Indian. Oscar awarded to Indian active voice. Oscar was awarded to Indian passive voice. 40 teachers selected for state award. 40 teachers were selected for state award. 40 teachers were selected for state award. Colleges advised not to work in summer high court. Colleges advised not to work in summer high court. Colleges are advised not to work in summer high court. MLA Skin arrested. MLA Skin was arrested. 70 police personnel killed in ambush. 70 police personnel killed in ambush. 70 police personnel were killed in ambush. Toddler moved down by a school bus. Toddler was moved down by the school bus. Gangster nabbed by the police. Gangster was nabbed by the police. Gangster nabbed by the police. Gangster was nabbed by the police. Cell phones banned in educational institutions. Cell phone banned in educational institutions. Cell phones were banned in educational institutions. A box is given. This is the not meaningful sentence. First arrange this is meaningful sentence. A box is given. It is not a meaningful sentence. First arrange into meaningful sentence. E is given a box. E is given a box. It is a meaningful sentence. Then convert into passive voice. A box is given to him. A box is given to him. Brought a big loaf of Santosh, bread was two. Brought a big loaf of Santosh, bread was two. It is not meaningful sentence, no meaning. A big load of bread was brought to Santosh. It is meaningful sentence. Convert into Santosh was brought a big load of bread. So like that, I have sent a text message not been. I have not been sent a text message. A text message has not been sent to me. He has written a letter by been her. He has been written a letter by her. A letter has been written to him by her. So like that we will discuss the sentences, active voice and passive voices. So completely we discussed clearly in detail. Okay, not mingled in each with all tenses also. Means we discussed detailedly separately present tense, past tense, future tense, along with the imperative sentences, two objects sentences, subject omitted, that is imperative sentences also. So we worked a lot on voices. I hope that you all be perfect in that voices. Before going to complete this lesson, finally I will give one structure of passive voice for all the sentences. Okay, all the sentences which is prepared by me. Okay, so in a detailing for I person, for all 8 sentences, for I person the structure B forms. For I am being, have been, was being, have been, shall be, shall have been. First simple present, next present continuous, present perfect, simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, simple future, future perfect. This is the order in vertical line. I am reading the structure also in vertical line. So for I am being, have been, was being, had been, shall be, shall have been. For he, she, it, is being, has been, was being, had been, will be, will have been. They, you, are being, have been, were being, had been, will be, will have been. For we, are being, have been, were being, had been, shall be, shall have been. So this is the structure for the changing rules of the passive voice. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.